Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese negation. So there are two most commonly used Chinese negation, 不 and 没. 不 means no or not, and 没 means not or have not. And the difference between these two is 不 is used to negate actions in the present and in the future, but 没 is used to negate actions in the past. 不 is also can be used with almost all of the verbs except for 有, and the verb 有 can be only used with 没, so 没有. And another difference is 不 can be used to negate adjective and habits, and also 没 cannot be used with the verb 是. Now let's start with 不. So the structure when we use 不 is subject, 不, verb, and then object. And there's a special case for 不. So when 不 followed by another fourth tone, it changes into 不 with the second tone. And when 不 followed by another tone like the first, second, third, or neutral tone, it's still pronounced as 不 with the fourth tone. So for example, 我不是中国人. 是 is the fourth tone, right? So we pronounce this as 不. 我不是中国人, which means I am not Chinese. Another example is 哥哥不喜欢听音乐. Because 喜 is the third tone, so we pronounce 不 as the fourth tone. 哥哥不喜欢听音乐. And as we learned before in the previous lesson, the verb 喜欢 can be followed by another verb directly, like Jaren in English. 哥哥不喜欢听音乐 means elder brother doesn't like to listen to music. So the next sentence with 不 is 这不是我的书. Remember, 是 is the fourth tone, right? So we pronounce 不 as the second tone. 这不是我的书. 我的 means my, and 书 means book. 这 means this or this. And if you guys still remember, Chinese noun can be used for both plural and singular. So 这不是我的书 means this is not my book. The next one is 那不是他的电脑. 那 means that or those. 他的 means his. So 那不是他的电脑 means that is not his computer. The next one is弟弟不想工作。想 means want and 工作 means work. So 弟弟不想工作 means younger brother doesn't want to work. 弟弟不想工作 means younger brother doesn't want to work. Now the example for the future tense, it's like他明天不能来。明天 means tomorrow. 能 is can, 来 is come. So 他明天不能来 means he cannot come tomorrow. Another example for the future tense is我明天不去食堂。我明天不去食堂。明天 means tomorrow, right? 去 means to go somewhere. 食堂 is canteen. So 我明天不去食堂 means I won't go to the canteen tomorrow. So that's all for the future tense. Now let's try to make a habit sentence. So for example, 我不喝酒。喝 is to drink, right? Do you guys still remember? And then 酒 is alcohol. So the sentence 我不喝酒 means I don't drink alcohol. So the sentence means I don't drink alcohol in general. But if you put a adverb of time in this sentence, like this, 我明天不喝酒 which means I won't drink alcohol tomorrow. So the difference between these two sentences, for this one, 我明天不喝酒 means I usually drink alcohol, but for tomorrow, I will not drink alcohol. Now let's move on to the may. So the structure for may is also the same with 不. It's subject and then plus may, and then verb and then object. So let's make some sentences.他昨天没来。昨天 means yesterday, and 来 means come. So 她昨天没来 means she didn't come yesterday. The next one is 我昨天没去食堂。昨天 means yesterday, right? 去 means to go somewhere. 食堂 is canteen. So 我昨天没去食堂 means I didn't go to the canteen yesterday. It's pretty easy, right? Now let's move on to 没有. So 没有 has two meanings. The literal meaning is doesn't have or not to have something. The second one it's like may, so it's not or haven't. Now let's make some sentences by using the literal meaning.姐姐没有电脑 Elder sister doesn't have computer. The second one is 我没有男朋友。我没有男朋友 which means I don't have a boyfriend. It's pretty easy, right? Because it is just the literal meaning. 有 means to have and 没 means not. So 没有 means don't have or doesn't have. Now let's make a sentence with using the second meaning, which is the same with may. Mama 没有做早饭。Do you guys still remember 做饭？做饭 means to cook a meal, right? And 早饭 means breakfast. So 做早饭 means to cook breakfast. So 妈妈没有做早饭 means mother didn't cook breakfast. 没有 here, it's also the same with may that we can use for the past tense. And in this sentence, we can either say the you or not, it doesn't really matter. It still has the same meaning. So if we say 妈妈没做早饭 and 妈妈没有做早饭, they both mean mother didn't cook breakfast. So we learned before that may cannot be used with the verb 是, right? So even though 不 is normally used to negate the verbs in the present and in the future, but if it's followed by the verb 是, it also can be past tense. For example, 他以前不是我的同学。以前 means before or formerly. 我的 means my. 同学 means classmate. So, 他以前不是我的同学 means he wasn't my classmate before. And as we can see here, 不 can be also used to negate actions in the past if it's followed by the verb 是, because may cannot be used with 是. So, 没事, it doesn't exist. So before we finish today's class, let's review some of the new vocabularies that we learned today. 不没没有没有想能去来工作明天昨天以前久食堂工作同学早饭。So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. 加油!